Are you looking for a way to solve the WhatsApp microphone not working issue on your iPhone? If yes, here's the advanced guide on how to solve the microphone issue on your iPhone. This is a very quick and easy process. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your microphone permissions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, and find the microphone option. Tap on it. Ensure microphone setting for WhatsApp. Solution 2. Try to restart your iPhone. This is a simple but often effective solution for many problems, including iPhone solutions, including microphone issues. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and then try the next solution. Solution 3. Update your WhatsApp app. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp. If you find any updates available, then tap on Updates. Now open the WhatsApp app. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 4. Reinstall the WhatsApp app. Press and hold the WhatsApp until the showing option. Then tap on Remove the app option. After that, tap on Delete app and tap on Delete. Your app will be deleted. And now reinstall the app from the App Store. After that, your problem will be solved. So, this is the way you can solve the microphone issue on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.